Hi everybody, I am back with my second video, and today, as you can see, I have the Wizarding World box, which is from Loot Crate. I have been getting this box for probably since almost the beginning. I think I missed the first couple boxes, and I don't know, I've been not super impressed. And it's one of those things where I feel like I want to cancel, but I'm always afraid I'm gonna miss out on something amazing in the next box, so I don't. But then I'm always disappointed, and I feel like this should be great. I don't know. And even the past couple months, except for this last month, they had kept, pushing it out by it being late, like really late. And then when one of the boxes was like super late, and then we finally got it, so I was expecting it to be phenomenal, and it was just like the worst box ever, I thought. I don't know. So I am excited to see what's in store. I hope it's exciting. This box is kind of small. It's not very heavy, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's bad. Yeah, I don't remember what's in this one. I think it might be House Pride, but I'm not positive. And also, to be honest, I normally look at YouTube videos before I get mine and always see what's in the boxes. I'm really bad at being surprised with my boxes and all my subscription boxes and anything I'm ever getting in the mail. If it's like some sort of thing that other people get, I always pre-look at what I'm getting. I'm just really bad at that. But because I knew I was recording it, I did not look, so this will all be an authentic look. The only thing I did was cut the flap, but I've not even looked in it at all. So let's see. Okay. Right off the bat, it's probably gonna be House Pride, which I am a Hufflepuff, and I'm very proud of being a Hufflepuff. The only unfortunate downside of that is I am not a fan of yellow. Yellow is my least favorite color, but because I'm a Hufflepuff, I try to embrace it in that regard. Already, my first glance, I'm not excited about this box, though it's very little looking. Okay, so first we have a shirt. Let's see. Okay, let's move this out of the way. If we can see that, it's okay. Honestly, I feel like it could be better. And I'm honestly not that picky in regards to stuff like this, because I feel like, oh, exciting, it's something new and unique and it's an exclusive, but I feel like it could be better, but it's not terrible. Okay, so that's that. It's a good material. Like, it feels like a quality shirt. I don't even know what type it is. Does it say? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But it feels like a decent quality shirt. I'm not a fan of the color, but because I'm a Hufflepuff, that just is what it is. So I'm okay with the color because I'm a Hufflepuff, but besides that, okay. Oh my gosh, this is really like disappointing. Wow. Okay, socks. That's cool though. I mean, here, let's just open these up. There's a little bit of a fraying right here, but I can cut that off. So the first pair says Hufflepuff on the side there with the logo, the emblem. I mean, that's cool. I like gray a lot. So the gray and yellow is all right. That's not terrible. And then this one, okay, this one's all the colors, like all the houses. But okay, 2 pairs of socks. Okay. A Hufflepuff patch, which is okay. It's by BioWorld, which is good. Like, it's a quality patch and everything. Okay. This looks kind of cool, so I'm going to save that for last. So we'll do the pin actually right now. Wow, honestly, I'm initially not excited. This just, I feel like for the price, I should be getting at least 1 or 2 more items. I don't know. This is, again, I am feeling disappointed right away. Okay, lightning bolt enamel pin. Eclair brooch. Okay. Does it say anything? Neither can live while the other survives. Let's see. Neither can live. I mean, it's cool. In a way, I wish it was like, this is the only thing I wish was maybe yellow, which is ironic. But I do like it. I guess I feel like I feel like the lettering would maybe stick out better if it was a different color background. But I do like the pins. However, like other people were mentioning, the Horcrux thing, I feel like they were kind of going with a theme and then they stopped all of a sudden. So that's still kind of weird. Like they didn't finish the Horcruxes and that's bizarre. But I mean, I do like their pins. They're good quality. All right, this does look cool. So let's see here. It's by BioWorld. Looks like some sort of, you know, watch necklace. Let's just initially take it out here because I'm gonna do that anyways. These are things that, you know, I don't know if I'll actually ever wear, but I like to keep things like this on display most likely. Oh, it's taped. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and rip this. I'm just gonna do that. Can I get it? All right, okay. So, we have initially, okay, Hufflepuff. I mean, it's actually rather lightweight. What happens when you open it? Does it open this way? What? Okay, that was actually kind of hard to open. And it is, I mean, it's a working clock. It says Hufflepuff. Inside's just that design. Again, it's okay. It's a little bit lighter weight than I thought. Is it opening better now? Okay, it opens better now. The first time it did take a second. So it's, I thought it was gonna be cooler, but it feels a little bit cheaper. Like it's very light. Like I thought it would be heavier. Like I've gotten another type of, you know, clock watch necklace thing like this before, and it was a little bit more heavy duty. So I guess I feel like this could be better, but you know, I mean, this is cute. Oh, that's adorable. I do like that. It's a nice touch, but overall, I don't know. Not super impressed, but it's okay. I mean, I think that's it. So let's open this up. Hogwarts House Pride, yep, okay. Whether you're a brave Gryffindor, clever Ravenclaw, loyal Hufflepuff, or cunning Slytherin, represent your house with this Hogwarts House Pride crate, new for 2018, full of items for all occasions. This crate's magical loot. So, socks could be different. the different shirts, different patches. Oh, darn. I so much would have rather have had like a platinum or silver watch, house watch, pocket watch, but, and it does say that everything but the socks are exclusive, which, I mean, I like getting the exclusive items, but I don't know. Just honestly, I don't know. So the pen, the pocket watch, the socks. I mean, 2 pairs of socks, but I mean, I don't know. Just doesn't excite me that much. And the shirt, which, I don't know, you get shirts all the time in boxes. So I feel like the exciting items would be theoretically like these, but the patch doesn't seem that exciting. And you always get like a pin, and I don't know. I'm disappointed. I don't feel like it was worth it once again. It could have been better. I think Loot Crate needs to do better. I think for what this box is, it should be better. And I keep thinking like, okay, I should cancel. But then I feel like with all the feedback I give them from surveys, and I'm sure other people give them, because I know I'm not the only one that feels this way, they're going to do better. And then I'm like, okay, I want to stick with them, because then I feel like they're going to just bust out something amazing. And I love Harry Potter, and I want, like, I don't want to, I have, you know, fear of missing out on the good things. So I'm afraid to then cancel, but I don't know. They could have definitely done better. But there it is. This is the box. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing of the Loot Crate Wizarding World May 2018 House Pride box. And yeah, if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them below. Maybe you really liked an item. Did you get this box as well? What are your thoughts on this box? Have you had this box? Have you canceled? Maybe you feel completely different. Did you love this box? I'd love to know your thoughts on this. So feel free to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you'd like to see as well. I'd like to do some more unboxings or other types of videos, so let me know. But I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks. Bye.